Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants no oven. Start by thawing puff pastry slightly while keeping it cold, then layer butter and fold gently to mimic lamination. Roll into a 12 by 8 inch rectangle, cut triangles, and shape with a snug roll. Rest shaped croissants in the fridge for 20 minutes to firm up before the stovetop step for best rise and flaky layers. Heat a heavy skillet over the lowest setting and preheat for 3–5 minutes with a lid nearby. Brush croissants lightly with egg wash for color, place them seam side down, and cover immediately. Cook covered for 12–16 minutes, checking periodically to rotate for even browning, then uncover for 2–3 minutes to crisp tops. Let croissants rest for 5 minutes before serving so interior layers set. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling great and your mood light while you bake. It's a small, silly upgrade that makes kitchen runs nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Fillings transform plain croissants easily, from chocolate sticks to savory ham and cheese combinations, keeping portions modest for even baking. Seal edges well and chill shaped croissants 10–15 minutes to firm them, which prevents leaks and preserves layers. When cooking, monitor heat and rotate pans to avoid hot spots, and allow a short rest so butter redistributes for a crisp exterior and tender, flaky interior, perfect for breakfast or snacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.